Okay guys, my Minecraft Pocket Edition will not open. I'll show you. See, it got deleted from my phone. I will go to my apps and I will go in it and I'll show you. If it opens, I'm sorry guys, I told you it wouldn't open, but oh, it opened.
Okay, there's no point of opening it.
Okay,
There's no point of opening it.
guys, on second thought, I'll show you the thingy-majiggy. Oh, I'll show you 1.0.4.1 today.
I thought it was 0.5.
That's what I thought too. My friend is here also. He's talking and I'm talking, and if you see anything in the background, it's a movie playing. Because me and my friend are having this.
Can we hear anything in the background?
Yeah, if you hear anything in the background, just tell me in the comments because I'm sorry about that. And I'm going to pause the video because my Minecraft seems not to be opening. Okay guys, instead of showing you the PE won't work, we need some add-ons, and I'm going to check out 1.0.4.1. And I have the car add-on and a race car add-on and the Entity303 add-on. So I will show you the Entity303 first. I believe it's the with. Oh, that looks cool. Backtrack.
Wait.
It is Entity303. Sorry guys.
Entity303 at all?
Sorry guys.
Doesn't look like him at all.
No.
It looks like him with no body.
So, wait. We're gonna put his head on. We're wearing his head. So, now we're gonna try out the car. Okay. I get a glitch from the Entity303. The car is like smushed up into a bunch of tiny pieces. Okay, that's weird. What's this look like in third person view? It just has legs. Why does it have legs? It has legs. Car with legs. Who would have thought? Alright, up. Never mind. Okay. This is weird. It's like a robotic witch. Alright. Sorry guys about this video. It did not work as expected. I'm just going to kill Entity303. Hard to beat him. A pause. Okay guys, something weird happened. Look. So, right, it's almost dead. Almost got him. So, fight that because he can't. Well, I'm creative. He's dead. Oh my. Waters videos it says not to kill Entity. Oh, there's an explosion. Down. Happens. That's all I'm gonna have for this video today. So, comment one of them. Sorry guys, this, but sorry it's so short. I have to end the video right here because there's nothing more to show you. And goodbye guys. See you next time.